Hey, Midwest Picker here. Just a quick video before I get my hair cut. Getting all like hippie style here. Look at this mess. So I'm trying my hand at retail arbitrage. That's a French word. Look it up. If you didn't know, big box pharmacies, I'm going to miss a few, but CVS, Walgreens, those kind of guys, they run sales all the time. And in West Michigan, at least, when the sale's over and they have leftover items and they get kind of like perturbed, why didn't these things sell? And they put them on clearance. Doesn't mean they're discontinued forever. They want to blow them out. So I'm going to put some pictures up of some stuff I got, like a rolling walker, $14, and it sells for $120, $130. A bit of a challenge to ship, but not impossible. Irons, flat iron straightener things, hair dryers, supplements, vitamins. Yes, you can sell those on eBay as long as they're not expired. A whole bunch of stuff. So I'm going to try my hand at that because the economy is so bad that people are slowing down on vintage collectibles and they're looking for bread and butter everyday items. And of course they can go to Amazon. They can go other places, but if you didn't know, once your listing on eBay's been there for a while, 10, 20, 30 days, the Google web crawler will find anything and everything. So when people, whoa, sorry about that. So when people search for things to buy, eBay listings will show up. So you don't have to worry about competing with Etsy and Amazon and Walmart.com and Meijer.com. You can do it. So today I'm at the Meijer Thrifty Outlet. I don't know if you guys will have one of these near you, but big chain stores like Walmart, Meijer, Target, they have these tiny little unknown outlet stores. So when they stop carrying a product, they throw it in their outlet store for cheap. So let me show you what I got here. Why? I don't know, but these are... You've seen these before, the little pine tree air fresheners. These are pumpkin spice, everything nice. So in the fall, these are going to sell like mad. But I did a search. I'll show you a little video here. These are selling right now in June 2025. I got these for $1.85. So I got 16 of them. They've got about 10 million of them in there. I didn't want to freak out the cashier, so I only got 16. They do sell. They could be a bust, so I'm not going to go nuts. I'm going to list these as soon as I get home. If they start selling, I can always come back and get more. And if they don't sell at all, well, Midwest Picker's car is going to smell like a pumpkin patch. So there you go. Pumpkin spice air fresheners. I got some snacks, some bagel chips, some dark chocolate, some missile. I mean, they've got everything. They've got sports equipment. They've got HBA. They've got some food. I got some Atkins bars, so get rid of this beer belly. So that's the video, guys. Short and sweet. Consider retail arbitrage. Never pay more than, oh, I don't know, 30% of retail. Opposite, 70% off, 80% off, 90% off. If you can get stuff 90, 95% off, buy it. I don't care if it takes 3 years to sell it, buy it. If it's 50% off, walk away. You're not going to make any money. It's a waste of your time. My arm's getting tired and I keep zooming into my big fat head. So wish me luck with my haircut. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to be making more what's sold videos. Sourcing videos, it's kind of hard because there's not a lot going on around here. So that's it. Hope you liked it. Hit the button on your way out. Until next time, see ya.
Ребята из сторожки, покупайте игрушки, медведь ворчит. Барыня пищит.